Yeah, I'm excited. It's a big deal for us. We talk about it, we plan for this, and the games are awesome and they're important to us and we value them. But for us, it's more about the practices leading into it, the training, getting guys to be able to come out here and compete and stay together is amazing. It's a big part of what we do, but it's more about the time together as a program and the practices. Yeah, so we haven't been here too long, but luckily this is my second trip. Costa Rica is awesome. First of all, the people that we interact with are amazing. The service from Costa Rica Sports Tour, unbelievable. And just the experiences, some of these opportunities, a lot of the things that we're doing, our guys will never have this opportunity again in their lives, whether it's going looking at waterfalls in the rainforest or serving at a school and seeing people that maybe aren't as privileged as us from the U.S. It's unbelievable. So I'm excited about giving that opportunity to our players. It's just something in Costa Rica that a lot of people don't get that opportunity.